In this video, we're going to learn how to crop and adjust pages from within ABBYY FineReader. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. First things first, we want to launch ABBYY FineReader, and we're going to select PDF document. From here, we're going to select one of the PDFs that we want to open. And this is a chapter out of a textbook. And the first thing I want to do to crop a page is we're going to go to the Organize Pages button. Then we're going to select all pages from the selected pages range. And then we're going to select crop. This is going to bring up this little box that we can choose where we want to crop. And we're going to move our edges to exactly where we want to apply the crop. And then we're going to select Apply Crop. And just like that, it's going to go through every single page of the document and apply those crop measurements to every single page. Now on this Organize Pages button, let's just pretend that this page was maybe out of whack. What we can do is come over here and rotate it right next to the Selected Pages window. So this is where you can change your pages to make sure they're all facing the same direction. Additionally, let's say that these pages were out of order. You could simply drag page 6 and move it over to page 5. You could take page 41 and move it over to page 40 just by simply dragging and dropping the files. Now let's say you wanted to add additional pages. You could select Add Pages, and we could either add a blank page, add from PDF, a file, or from a scanner. Additionally, we can choose to delete all blank pages. And if you had a page that had an interesting layout, you could also split that page. A lot of the same work can be done directly from within the thumbnail view. Like if you wanted to add in additional pages, you could simply select the plus button and insert the file that you would want, and it would go right after the page that you selected. You could also choose to rotate the pages right here in the thumbnail view. This is really useful if you are working on a very complex document. If we select the Options button, this is where we can add additional pages, we can rotate even further, delete pages, or save as a variety of different document types. That concludes today's video on how to crop, rotate, and adjust pages from within ABBYY FineReader. If you want to try out ABBYY FineReader for yourself, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.